terms of challenges ahead, I think my first words, I've got 3 words here. Expectations is the first one. A lot of people think new IT systems are really easy to deliver and implement, like it's their laptop at home. It really isn't. I try to manage people's expectations. There are nearly always niggles when you roll out a new system. They take a little while to iron out, but they will get there in the end. Speed, again, people expect things to happen really fast. To do it right, you need to take your time and do it properly. The next one is around resources. I think all public sector organisations, really are pressed in terms of financial and staffing resources. So we're quite often small organisations, and I strongly believe, hopefully you've picked that up through my earlier words, is that working together is key. I think there's so much power in that. And not just local government working together, but the vast range of public sector organisations we have in Wales. The final challenge, I think, is change fatigue and anxiety around change. That is a lot of effort that goes into that. And as people who facilitate change, it can be quite tiring as well. So let's look after ourselves and each other. And again, working together helps us deliver it well.